Dalaman, a hidden gem in the southwestern corner of Turkey, offers a unique blend of natural beauty, history, and adventure. Nestled between azure seas and verdant mountains, this captivating town is a gateway to an array of experiences. Whether it's exploring ancient ruins, basking in thermal springs, or sampling local delicacies, Dalaman has it all. Its rich cultural heritage and stunning landscapes are waiting to be discovered. So sit tight as we're about to unveil the top 10 things to do in this enchanting destination as we count them down. Starting our countdown at number 10, Sarigerme Beach awaits with its golden sands and turquoise waters. Nestled in the heart of Dalaman, this beach is a gem that sparkles under the warm Turkish sun. It's a place where you can sink your toes into the soft sand, let the sea breeze play with your hair, and let the rhythm of the waves calm your soul. The beach is equipped with modern facilities, making it a comfortable spot for everyone. From beach bars to sun loungers, it's got everything you need for a relaxing day under the sun. And it's not just for the sun worshippers. Water sports enthusiasts will find plenty to love here too. Sarigerme Beach is a beloved spot among locals and tourists alike. It's a place where families come to make memories, friends gather to share laughter, and solo travelers find tranquility. Sarigerme Beach offers a perfect day out for sun, sea, and sand lovers. At number 9, step back in time with a visit to the ancient city of Kaunos. This captivating archaeological site, nestled between the Aegean and Mediterranean seas, breathes life into the pages of history. Imagine the grandeur of this city in its heyday, a bustling center of trade and culture, as you wander through its striking ruins. Here, you'll encounter remnants of a once vibrant civilization, from the well-preserved theater that hosted dramatic performances to the imposing Acropolis that stood as a symbol of power. The city's necropolis, with its intricately carved tombs, whispers tales of the past, while the Roman baths and Byzantine basilica are testaments to the city's ever-changing identity. Walking through Kaunos is like leafing through a living history book, each ruin a chapter from a bygone era. The ancient city, with its enduring charm and timeless tales, is a treasure trove for history enthusiasts. A visit to Kaunos offers a fascinating glimpse into Turkey's rich history. Coming in at number 8, discover the tranquil beauty of Dalaman River. A river that is so much more than just a body of water. It's a hub for adventure, relaxation, and breathtaking experiences. Here, the whispers of the wind and the rhythmic flow of the water create a symphony that speaks to the soul. The Dalaman River is a playground for those seeking a bit of adrenaline rush. Rafting down this river is a must-try, allowing you to conquer the vigorous rapids while taking in the stunning landscape. If you're more about tranquility and patience, the river is a fishing haven, teeming with a variety of fish species. But let's not forget about those who just want to soak in the beauty. The river offers picturesque views that are straight out of a postcard, with lush greenery, clear blue waters, and the stunning backdrop of the mountains. Dalaman River provides an adventurous and serene getaway. At number 7, relax and rejuvenate at the Sultaniye Hot Springs. Nestled amidst rolling hills and lush greenery, the Sultaniye Hot Springs are a true gem of Dalaman. The hot springs are renowned for their therapeutic properties, with mineral-rich waters believed to alleviate a plethora of health issues, from skin conditions to rheumatic diseases. But it's not just about the healing waters. The experience of soaking in these natural hot tubs is second to none. Picture this. You're enveloped in a soothing warmth, the steam rising around you as you gaze out at the stunning surrounding landscapes. It's a moment of pure tranquility, a chance to unwind and soak up the serenity of nature. And then there's the view. The hot springs overlook the majestic Dalaman River, offering a breathtaking vista that adds to the overall allure. Sultaniye Hot Springs offers a rejuvenating experience in the heart of nature. Number 6 invites you to immerse yourself in local culture at Dalaman's vibrant markets. Here, the heart of Turkey throbs with life and color. Picture a kaleidoscope of stalls, each brimming with an array of goods that tell tales of the region's rich heritage. From hand-woven textiles to intricately designed ceramics, each item is a testament to the skilled craftsmanship of Dalaman's local artisans. Imagine the aroma of freshly ground spices mingling with the scent of ripe fruits and vegetables, the lively hum of haggling and laughter filling the air. These markets are not just places of transaction, they're social hubs where locals gather to share stories, exchange pleasantries, and enjoy the warm Turkish hospitality. You'll find yourself engaging with the local culture, perhaps even picking up a few Turkish words as you navigate the bustling lanes. It's an experience that's as enriching as it is enjoyable. Dalaman's local markets are a feast for the senses and a window into Turkish culture. At number 5, escape to the tranquil waters of Koycegiz Lake on a boat tour. Nestled amidst the lush green mountains of Dalaman, this serene lake is a treasure trove of natural beauty. Embark on a boat tour and let the placid waters gently guide you through an unforgettable journey. As you glide on the azure lake, the panoramic views of the surrounding landscapes will take your breath away. The undulating mountains, their tips kissed by the clouds, form a picturesque backdrop that is sure to captivate you. But it's not just about the views. Koycegiz Lake is also home to an array of wildlife. Herons stand tall on the banks, turtles bask in the sun, and if you're lucky, you might even spot a kingfisher darting out to snatch its prey. So, whether you're a nature enthusiast or simply looking for a peaceful retreat, Koycegiz Lake is the place to be. A boat tour on Koycegiz Lake offers a peaceful retreat and stunning natural scenery. Coming in at number 4, feel the thrill of paragliding in Oludeniz. From the moment you strap in, your heart will be pounding with anticipation. The professional guides, with their years of experience, will ensure your safety and comfort as you prepare for the exhilarating leap into the open sky. Imagine soaring above the beautiful landscape, the wind whipping past your face as you glide through the air. It's a dance with the elements, a sublime communion with nature that will leave you breathless. The beauty of Oludeniz unfurls beneath you, a stunning tapestry of vibrant hues and breathtaking vistas. The adrenaline rush, the freedom of flight, the panoramic views all combine to create an experience that is both thrilling and serene. The guides, with their expert knowledge and guidance, make the adventure accessible even to beginners. So, whether you're an adrenaline junkie or just looking for a unique way to see Oludeniz, paragliding is a must-try. Paragliding in Oludeniz offers an unforgettable adventure in the Turkish skies. At number 3, indulge in a unique spa experience at the Dalyan mud baths. Nestled in the heart of Turkey's southwestern coast, this natural wonder promises both relaxation and rejuvenation. The mud, rich in minerals and known for its therapeutic properties, is said to benefit skin health, soothe joint pains, and even slow down the aging process. But it's not just about the health benefits. The Dalyan mud baths are also a lot of fun. Imagine wading into a pool of warm, silky mud, lathering yourself from head to toe, and then soaking up the sun as the mud dries and tightens on your skin. The final rinse reveals skin that feels smooth and refreshed. And let's not forget the setting. Surrounded by lush greenery and the calming sounds of nature, the Dalyan mud baths are a treat for the senses. A visit here is more than just a spa day. It's an adventure. The Dalyan mud baths offer a unique and beneficial spa experience in a picturesque setting. At number 2, explore the ancient Lycian rock tombs, a testament to Turkey's rich past. These tombs, etched into the rugged cliffs of Dalaman, offer a glimpse into the life and death beliefs of the ancient Lycian civilization. Dated back to the 4th century BC, the Lycian rock tombs serve as a grand reminder of a culture that was once one of the most influential in ancient Anatolia. With intricate carvings and impressive architecture, these tombs are indeed an architectural marvel that has withstood the test of time. As you navigate through the rocky terrain, you're not just exploring tombs, you're stepping back in time, walking in the footsteps of the Lycians. Every corner, every stone, every carving has a story to tell, a secret to reveal. It's a unique experience that is both eerie and awe-inspiring. The Lycian rock tombs provide a fascinating insight into ancient Lycian civilization. Finally, at number 1, discover the breathtaking beauty of the Blue Lagoon. A natural paradise nestled within the vibrant city of Dalaman, the Blue Lagoon is a sight to behold. The lagoon is a stunning showcase of Mother Nature's artistry, with azure waters that sparkle under the Turkish sun, fringed by lush greenery and soft sandy beaches. It's a tranquil haven that invites visitors to unwind, soak in the beauty, and leave the hustle and bustle of daily life behind. But the Blue Lagoon isn't just a pretty sight, it's alive with activity. From swimming and snorkeling to paddleboarding, there's something for everyone. And if you're an adventure seeker, you can even try paragliding over the lagoon for a bird's-eye view of this natural wonder. For those who prefer to take it easy, there are plenty of spots to relax on the beach, enjoy a picnic, or simply watch the world go by. The Blue Lagoon offers the ultimate Dalaman experience, combining stunning beauty with a host of activities. From sun-soaked beaches to ancient ruins, vibrant markets to tranquil lakes, Dalaman, Turkey, offers something for everyone. Imagine yourself sunbathing at Sarigerme Beach, exploring the Dalaman River and the ancient city of Kaunos, or soaking in the Sultaniye hot springs. Picture the delights of local markets, the serenity of Koycegiz Lake, the thrill of paragliding in Oludeniz, and the mystery of the Lycian rock tombs. Don't forget the Dalyan mud baths and the stunning blue lagoon. Experience the magic of Dalaman, Turkey, and create unforgettable memories in this hidden gem.